Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be doing something a little bit different. These past few weeks have been so hectic and just so crazy that I really needed to get myself on track for the next few months, especially because the kids are going to be in football and cheerleading and Lila has tutoring and work is going to be insane. So I am almost positive that I'm going to forget something and I really just have to write it all down. So in today's video, we are just going to be doing a very relaxing planning with me for this summer. So I hope you enjoy this video and let's get into it. So this planner that I'm using here, I created using Keynote. I do have a video on my channel describing how to create a very basic planner using Keynote. This particular planner I use with GoodNotes to be able to utilize for my daily planning and daily note taking. And this is what keeps me on track basically. So I know that I had alluded to some Etsy store fun times to come in the future a couple of months ago. And honestly, I really had to take a step back from doing all of the things because I learned very quickly that I am not superhuman. But every now and again, I do get a burst of energy to create content and create products for my Etsy store. Currently, I only have one thing listed, which is my Dusty Rose sticker book, which I utilize a lot in this planner because it's on literally my favorite color. So, of course. But I am happy to say that this planner for the months coming up for the end of the year, the July through December version of this digital planner are going to be available on my Etsy store. Hopefully by the end of the month. There are a few bugs and kinks that I want to work out, and there are a few different spreads that I want to add in for all of you. So if you're interested, head on over to my Etsy store. I do have it linked below in the description box, and I hope that you hop on over to Etsy and check out any of the products that I have listed in my Etsy store.
Looking up at a tree, I remember how it started. I was lost in a dream when the fire in my heart said an open rose. I've already found sunlight, the feeling grows, and anything sounds alright. I'm breaking loose, living in the moment in my own balloon. This year I'm going.
So during the summer, our kids spend a lot of time with their other families. I don't know if you guys know this, but our family is a blended family. Josh has his son and I have my two kids. And over the summers, we have the kids split the time with their other families a little bit more evenly. This summer, however, is a little bit different because the boys and Lila are doing football and cheerleading. So a lot of their time has to be spent at practice or doing conditioning. And a lot of times it just kind of interrupts a lot of the back and forth that we have. So we're trying to keep it as even as possible, but I know that the kids really like being at both families' house, and it's very important to have both families present in their lives to us. So, and then we also all get together during football practices, and we'll be also sharing football games together too. So we all get along really well together. It just works the best for us. And I know it looks really hectic for a lot of people, but this is our reality.
Down and over the ocean, and you can't force me down as long as I'm open, like a
So what I'm doing here is I'm adding a page in my planner to include a planning space for Matthew's birthday, which is coming up on, it's technically June 4th, but we are celebrating it on Saturday, June 5th. So here I'm just jotting down all of the information that I'm going to need for his birthday party, the number of guests that we can expect, the gifts that I still need to purchase for him, the cupcakes that I'm going to be ordering for him that he specifically requested. So I actually already ordered those, so that was something I could check off this list. But I also include the menu that I'm going to be making as well. So all I did here was I added a page, and then I snipped some lines from GoodNotes, right? I think it was GoodNotes. And then I added them onto this page so that I had something to, you know, write like notebook paper on.
Tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I don't know what I'd do without you. You make me smile, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon is the snow, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I wanna be a weekend lover. Yeah, I'ma be the best damn lover you got. I wanna mess up your covers. I don't wanna meet your mother. Never ever ask me how I've been. Remember why you have my number. I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine. Now show me what you can do. The way my hands feel on your body, the way we're dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling. The way my lips feel on your body, the way we're moving in the dark. With every breath we take, you're falling. I ain't got no time for romance, but baby I don't want to lead you on. Not looking for something steady, not ready for that. I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine. Now show me what you can do. Make a move. The way my hands feel on your body, the way we're dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling. The way my lips feel on your body, the way we're moving in the dark. With every breath we take, you're falling. Every breath that we're taking, with every step you're falling in love. With every move that I'm making, you can do. Make a move. The way my hands feel on your body, the way we're dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling in love, in love, in love. The way my lips feel on your body, the way we're moving in the dark. With every breath we take, you're falling in love, in love.
Thank y'all so much for joining me here today and planning with me for the month of June and July. I have a lot of content coming up in the next month, especially with my bathroom renovation. Oh my goodness, guys, it's almost done and it looks so beautiful. I cannot wait to show you. So you'll just have to stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like this video. And also don't forget to comment because I do like talking to y'all down there. So I will see y'all in the next one. Thanks so much for joining me here today and I will see you again. Bye-bye, y'all.